Working on the LA Metro project has had huge benefit to ZF in North America. It's allowed us to introduce an aluminum-housed gearbox into a market that has been traditionally steel-cast gearboxes. This is a service-proven technology that's used in Europe and Asia, but is now finally gaining traction in the region.
The operating radius LA Metro right now is roughly 1,400 square miles, and it's always expanding.
On an average weekday, we have about 350,000 people ride the system.
I've been on rail for approximately 28 years, and I'm now the director of Division 14, Metro Division 14 in Santa Monica.
LA Metro is in a major expansion project right now. We have 22 project initiatives that need to get done by 2028, which is for the Olympics. Some of the challenges we face here at LA Metro is meeting service every day, meaning what we call a rollout.
In order to make that 42-car rollout, the cars themselves have to remain dependable.
Challenges, making rollout. That's one of the challenges. My operators will come out and set up the trains. They will do their pre-departure. They might find something wrong with it that needs to be taken care of.
On average, there's about 200 cars running daily to peak service.
And a lot of it has to do with coordination with operations, having the trains ready, cleaned, operational to go into service every single day, taking care of any issues that we find the day before.
And we make 99.8% of our rollout on time.
Reliability of equipment is a major challenge. When the car's operating, that's when you tell if things are working or not. Like in your case, with your system, the gearbox has been working very well. In fact, it helps us a lot in a lot of ways. One particular way is it gives us the ability to roll our tests with the least amount of weight that we can have on the vehicles. The less weight on the vehicle, the easier it is to brake, for example.
And of course, there was some concerns that the aluminum might not be as durable as the cast iron. It may not take quite as much of abuse. But at this point, the car's been running the service. We haven't seen any issues with the casting that we can talk about.
Particularly the gearbox has been very rugged so far. It's been making its rounds. We put a lot of miles on these cars.
We're always concerned with something new, and one of our concerns with an aluminum gearbox would be the seals might leak. In this case, the car's been running the service about 2 years now. We haven't seen any leaks at this point.
And the combination of having a lighter gearbox, a robust gearbox that stands up to the everyday things that I'm talking about in maintenance is a great thing. Weight is a significant part of our testing. When they start testing vehicles, it's tested on the infrastructure that can handle the weight. Weight, for example, when the train goes over a bridge. The gearbox, in this case, is on the truck, and if we make that lighter, that takes a lot of the weight out of the car itself. So the good thing about this gearbox, in this case, it's actually met the weight requirement, and also has met the reliability that we've been looking for. Because a lot of times when you change a product, the first thing you worry about is it's going to be reliable or not. Everything we've seen, again, it's only been 2 years running, but at the same time, we've done a lot of miles in those 2 years, which certainly is proof in the pudding that the system's working well.
For decades, ZF has established itself as a leader in rail driveline technology. Cities across the world every day are moving people by train that are being powered by ZF transmissions.